This is a 6-channel LED chaser and you can adjust the presets according to your speed. Attach the positive and negative voltages of the battery. Here is the positive of the LED. Let's check that the battery and LED are working properly. Let's do the connection between the circuit and the LED. Ground terminal of LED is common. It's time to connect the battery positive and ground terminal wires to the 6-channel LED chaser. Connect the LED ground terminal to the battery negative with the help of alligator clips. Adjust the chaser speed according to your requirements. As you can see, the LED chaser circuit working properly.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.